So welcome students. In this question, you're asked to find the minimum values of these expressions. The first expression is 2x square minus 5x plus 6. The second expression is 3x square plus 2x minus 10. The third expression is x square plus 2x plus 3. So you're asked to find the minimum values of these expressions. So what is the theory that you need to use? So as you know, if you draw the graph of this, so if you draw the graph of y is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 6, this graph will be an upward parabola because the leading coefficient is positive. And what is the vertex of this parabola? The vertex of the parabola is minus b by 2a and minus d by 4a, right? So what is the vertex? Let us calculate this. So minus b by 2a, b is minus 5. So minus b is plus 5 by 2a is 2 into 2, 4, comma. What is the discriminant of this? B square minus 4ac, 25 minus 4 into 2 into 6. So D is equal to 25 minus 48, that is minus 23. So minus D by 4a is plus 23 by 8. So if you draw the graph of this function, the vertex will be at 5 by 4 comma 23 by 8 in the first quadrant. Assume that this is the point 5 by 4 comma 23 by 8, and the graph looks like this. The graph looks like this. Now you're asked to find the minimum value of this expression. So the value of this expression is nothing but y. So what is the minimum value of 2x square minus 5x plus 6? The question is same as what is the minimum value of y? So if you just go on this graph, what is the minimum value of y that you get? The value of y is nothing but the distance from x-axis. So what is the minimum distance from x-axis? Obviously, you get this as the minimum distance from x-axis, right? So the minimum value of a quadratic expression is nothing but the y coordinate of the vertex. The y coordinate of the vertex, which is minus d by 4a. You need to remember this. The minimum value of the quadratic expression whose leading coefficient is positive is nothing but minus d by 4a. So we have already calculated this. So the answer to this question is 23 by 8. The minimum value of this expression is 23 by 8. Next, if you go to this, so once you understand the formula, you don't need to derive the formula in each question. So you can directly say that the minimum value is nothing but minus d by 4a. So you just need to find the discriminant of this. So discriminant is nothing but b square 4 minus 4 times 3 times minus 10. That is equal to 120 plus 4 is 124. So the minimum value is minus of 124 by 4 times a is 4 times 3. So 431s are. So minus 31 by 3 is the minimum value. Next, if you go to this, again, if you're asked to find the minimum value, the formula is minus d by 4a. Just find the discriminant. B square is 4 minus 4 into 3. That is equal to minus 8. So minimum value is nothing but minus of d by 4a. That is equal to 2. So if the leading coefficient is positive, the quadratic expression will have a minimum value. It will not have a maximum value because the maximum value goes up to infinity.